In this video, I'll show you real quickly how to add a video to your site. And to do this, you simply create a new post, add new, this is called video, and chances are you'd want to say this is just a title for the video. Put your cursor where you want the video to go and simply add media. And if you remember, we had already uploaded a video to our media library, but you could also insert from a URL. So if you have your video hosted separately or independently on a site such as Amazon S3, you could just put the URL, and WordPress will pick up that it is a video file. For example, as long as the file has, let's say, a .mp4 or WMA or FLV, which is Flash, then it will detect it and automatically embed. But let's go back, and since we have this video here, then we have the option on the right here that says embed media player or linked media file. Now, if you link to media file, what you'd probably want to do is put an image, and then that image would link to the actual video. But we're just going to embed media file, select insert, and what has happened is that WordPress has created a shortcode for a video player, because what you have uploaded or online is a video, but to play the video on your site you need a video player. So WordPress has just created this video player for you, and you can see here it just has a shortcode for the video, the size of the video, 640 in width and 360 in height. This is the default, and you can change this if you'd like just by editing these numbers here, and you will see it is linking to the location of the video, which is on our site in the uploads folder, and it would do the same if the video was hosted anywhere else. And all we have to do now is click publish, and if we view the post, there you go. There is our video. There's the caption for our video. And if we select play, the video will play. And as you can see here, the video is centered in our post. And if you wanted a larger video, like I mentioned before, all you would have to do is go back and just edit these numbers here. So as you can see, I could make it a little wider. So if I made it 740 and made it a little higher, 460, and if we update, and it's taken a while, just because I'm using software to record this video, and it just slows down the processing speed of my computer. But if we can just go over now and view the post, and you will see our video has gotten a little larger. And that's how you embed what we call a self-hosted video. In the next video, I'll show you how to embed a video from YouTube or a similar site.